Hello, welcome Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a beautiful Jaguar XF which we've taken in. So this is the Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel automatic luxury specification, finished in cashmere gold metallic with lovely beige leather. The car was originally supplied by Grange Jaguar in Chelmsford. The gentleman who owned it, the first owner of the car, he passed away a few years ago and his daughter took the car on. So the car's actually been in the same family from new, although showing two owners. She's now moved abroad, so the car was no longer required, so we acquired the car directly from her. Lovely condition, this car, been looked after really well. 56,700 miles from new. Service history, Cambelt and water pump done fairly recently as well. So let's have a look around. Okay, so the traditional Jaguar XF front end on there, nice chrome work. Down the sides here, we've got 17-inch Jaguar alloy wheels on here. Lovely condition, all the paintwork in good order. Around to the back here we've got rear parking sensors. Show you inside the boot. Okay, inside here, loads of space, huge boot in here. And I think down under here we've got all the battery situated down there, repair kit, etc. Locking wheel stud, everything's there that should be there. And down this side, have a look in the back here. There we go, you can see lovely beige leather. We've got rubber mats in the car. And into the front here. On the door there, as you can see, full set of electric windows and mirrors. Electric seats both sides. Okay, so we've got nice leather bound steering wheel here, we've got cruise control, we've got some rotating switches and buttons here for the computer system, etc. We've also got electric steering column control, which is just, that's it, there's the switch there for that. Onto the screen in the middle here. Okay, so we'll just show you the air vents here. They open automatically when you switch the climate control on. Quite a nice idea, all four of them across here. We'll just show you that with them going back again as well. Switch the climate control off and they rotate back. That coming up as well, the little thing. Right, so we'll just start the car here to get the system operational. That little the little switch there for the automatic gearbox pops up and then on comes the screen. Switch on the climate control, there we go, the vents again, and then into the menu. So we've got DAB radio in here, we have got navigation in here, yep, we've got navigation in there as well.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
Bluetooth connection obviously as well, so we've got all the little toys in there. And then down under here we have got a USB connection, power socket and an auxiliary output as well. And I think there's another power socket, yeah, there's another power socket down in here as well. So two power sockets in the front there. Nice tidy layout down here, climate control system there as well. Okay, so let's show you under the bonnet. All lovely and clean and tidy under here as you expect. This is the 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine. I think it's 163 brake horsepower. Plenty of power, very smooth, great on fuel consumption. Okay, so just to run through that again, 2014 on a 14 plate. It's the Jaguar XF 2.2 turbo diesel luxury model. Automatic gearbox, 56,700 miles from new. Two owners, both in the same family from new, so lovely background. Supplied locally by Grange Jaguar down in Chelmsford. Lovely looking car, this, well worth a look. If you want a bit of luxury and a bit of style, this is the car. So any more information, please give me a call. It's Simon Shield, it's 01473 658 091. Or alternatively, hop on the website, all the still pictures of the service history, everything's there. And that's simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.